Okay, so I apologize. The previous video kind of cut off weirdly, and I didn't realize that this application that I'm using has like a time limit on it. So it cut off at 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. So real quickly, let's continue with what we were talking about. Um, yeah, so essentially we need to round up here because the number of games needs to be 715 instead of 714.28 because in order for the expected value to be above 500, 715 games need to be played. And you can't play in between 714 and 715 games. In particular, you can't play 714.286 games. So yeah. So that is essentially correct. Partially correct. Let's see if you didn't round what happened. Okay. So here it says it's partially correct if the response correctly completes component 1, but does not complete component 2. So as in you didn't round, you get a P. That's actually kind of harsh, but I agree with it because you have to understand that in order for your expected value to be higher, you have to play a certain number of games. Like you can't play in between a certain amount. Okay, so section 3 is as follows. Essentially correct if the response correctly addresses the following 3 components. Indicates the use of a normal distribution with the correct mean and standard deviation. I think we did that. Uses the correct boundary and indicates the correct direction. We did that as well. Has the correct normal probability consistent with components 1 and 2. Yay! Okay, alright, so sweet. So I believe we did all of those things. We talked about, we said it was normal, mean, standard deviation. And then we had the correct lower and upper bound, and we also had our mean and standard deviation label. And then we also had the correct probability at the end. So yeah, hopefully that was productive. I know these videos can tend to be a little dry. I'll try to be more exciting. I don't know what else that we can do to make these a little bit more exciting. But yeah, hopefully this was beneficial for you and your learning. And I'm also learning how to use this. So yeah, have a great rest of the day.